What's up, everybody? It's Tim from LiveCaseBreak.com. We've got a single box of 2013. I had it backwards. Leaf Memories Baseball. This is for Jake. Good luck, Jake. He chose the left box. Let's see what he chose. There's your empty box. There you go, he'll do $10. Alright, good luck. Demerit for the Rangers, Meadows for the Pirates, Peterson for the Mariners, Gonzalez for the Cardinals, Bryant for the Cubs, colored base is Correa out of 50 blue. We got Neville for the Tigers, Anderson for the Dodgers, Angelo Gums for the Yankees, Polanco for the Pirates, and you have a 1 of 1. 101 printing plate auto is nice, Michael Franco. That is the Cyan Michael Franco 101 autograph plate. Pretty big prospect for the Phillies right there. Good deal. Michael Franco Cyan plate 101 autograph. And your 2 buybacks. Good luck. Here we go. Maddox Gold 2 out of 5. So Greg Maddox Gold 2 out of 5 for the Cubbies. Uh-oh, that's the Clemens color. Could be a Clemens on the buyback auto. It's 88. It's not Clemens. Blackjack McDowell. Nice. Oh, you got the 1 of 40 too. Nice card. A 1 of 1 of a 1 of 4, exactly, Chris. 1 out of 40 on the blackjack. That Maddox is nice, too. It's probably one of the better base buybacks you could get, for sure. So there's the 3 highlights. Blackjack McDowell, 1 out of 40. You got Maddox, Gold out of 5. And Michael Franco, 1 of 1. I love that blackjack auto. Actually looks like he might have signed it blackjack. Can't quite tell there. It's a nice box. There you go, Jake. Thanks, man. Guys, for in stock, I've got Tribute WBC and Trinity for 160. I've got Memories and Knockout for UFC. Or not Memories, sorry, Finest and Knockout for UFC. And I have Memories at 160.